Hi, it's Amy here from Audi, and today I'll be showing you this brand new Audi A3 Saloon Black Edition in the gorgeous Python Yellow metallic finish. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle now, that Python Yellow does continue throughout and really does finish off this Audi A3 nicely. This vehicle comes with 19-inch 5Y arm alloy wheels which look great out on the roads. The LED headlights offer that great visibility in all weather conditions, as well as the LED rear lights, which will be perfect for standing out at night. Onto the boot now, and you can see how spacious it is with plenty of room for your weekly shop, but if more space is required, the rear seats can also be dropped. Into the rear cabin now, which you can see seats up to 3 passengers, and there's ample head and leg room. Then into the front cabin, where you can see the S & Boss front twin leather sports seats for that maximum comfort behind the wheel. Onto the leather multifunctional steering wheel now, and to the right is where you can adjust the telephone and volume, and to the left is where you can control the cockpit ahead. The digital cockpit displays a range of different sub-menus such as trip information, radio, telephone, satellite navigation and other media. Another great feature is a rear view camera which creates that additional vision and assists whilst manoeuvring those tighter spaces. Then moving on to the multimedia interface, we've got some great features, but what I'm most excited to show you is the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use apps such as Google Maps, Apple Music, as well as Spotify and other apps also. Another great feature is the Audi Drive Select, which allows you to choose between a range of different driving modes between efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. This vehicle also comes with the driver's assist, which can be adjusted to your driving preference on any journey. Then down to the climate control, which can be adjusted for the driver and passengers as required, and it even comes with heated front seats, perfect for those cooler mornings. Down the centre, we've got the wireless phone charging point, the manual gearbox, the electric parking brake, and the armrest storage, ideal for storing your phone or any other accessories whilst driving. This has been a presentation of the brand new Audi A3 Saloon Black Edition in the gorgeous Python Yellow metallic finish, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. Call us today to speak with one of our lovely sales team.